Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe that is yummy.
Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen, and today I will be sharing a recipe that I was given by my friend for company, or when you just want a very quick casserole. It's called the hash brown casserole, and it consists of hash brown, some diced onions, but you can add other vegetables like red peppers, mushroom, but in this case I'm sticking to the basic: some onion, hash brown, 8 ounces of cheese. Right now today I have medium cheddar, a pint of sour cream, and a half cup of butter, and then cream of mushroom, 1 can, and 2 cups of potato chips. So what you do is you mix everything in this bowl: the hash brown, the sour cream, the cheese, the onions, and the cream of mushroom, 1 can, as well as the half a cup of butter. And then you put everything in a 9 to 12 pan, and then you put it in the oven for about 1.5 hours. And then at the end, like 10 minutes before it's completely done, you put your potato chips on top, you crumble them. So that's what I'm doing today. So I will be showing you the process, and I'll show you the finished product. It's such a yummy casserole, easy to put together if you have all the ingredients, and then easy to feed the crowd. I will also list the recipe below, and you can try it and let me know how it turned out for you. And I think you can add different vegetables to make a variation of this. So everything goes in this bowl. After that, I put it in here. I think I melted my butter, and I'm gonna measure my potato chips so I can set them aside. I put my onion in my hash brown, and then my hands are clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 cups of potato chips aside, and just had this Walmart brand, which is gonna work. So about 2 cups of potato chips. So that's 2 cups, because I'll be shredding it into small pieces so that when I put it, it's all evenly distributed. Oh, and one for me to taste. Okay, I already put the onion in the hash brown. I have the sour cream, the chips. I need the cream of mushroom. What else do I need? Yep. That's my butter. Butter melted. Mix. It's supposed to be half a cup. This does not look like half a cup. Let me find my cream of mushroom. Cream of mushroom right here. I think this was like a tablespoon, so I need to add more butter. This is the cream of mushroom can that I have, that I'm gonna be using. So I need to get more butter. Back to the fridge, get some more butter. Yeah, it's half a cup. It's a little more than that. 8 of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what is a half a cup, because that's what the recipe calls for, right? Yeah, a half cup of melted butter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out 1 tablespoon and melt the rest. And then this hash brown was so yummy the first time I ate it. I was like, I need the recipe. Have you ever gone somewhere and had a meal and then you're like, oh my goodness, that was delicious? What was it? Can you share the recipe? Do you have some awesome recipes you wanna share with me? Post below, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and melt this in my microwave. I'll just put a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna open my can of mushroom. I'm gonna use this. I've had this tool for so many years. It's from the Pampered Chef. Yeah, it has lasted me years and years. I think more than 5 years. Their tools are really nice, actually. You know, when I bought it first, I thought it was expensive, but after using a couple of their tools, be like, yep, I'm sold. So all I do is I twist it and then I lift it up. It has this little end piece. Lift up the cream of mushroom. So this is the cream of mushroom. So I'm gonna be adding, oh, my butter should be done. I think I put too much time. Yes, it's melted and it's warm to touch. Oh, stop. I think I need to grab so I can carry this warm melted butter right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my cream of mushroom. It's going into everything else. I think everything in with cream of mushroom tastes yummy. So there's not going to be any seasoning, nor salt or pepper. I don't think so, because most of these things already have salt, unless you really want to add that, but I'm not adding. Then I'll add my melted butter. Shoop, in goes. Then cheese and sour cream. Then I'm gonna mix them all together. Then I'm gonna put them in my casserole. I put the sour cream, a pint of sour cream. Okay. How much is in a pint? All right. Let me know if you have some family recipes that you would like to share with us. And then I'll add that cheese. We bought the shredded cheese for this recipe. I usually like buying the block, because I don't know. The people say that the shredded cheese has some added stuff to it. Oh my goodness. I don't know if my bowl is gonna be able to mix. Look at how much there is. Looks yummy so far. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it, put it in the casserole, bake it for 375 degrees for like about an hour and 15 minutes. I will take it out. I will put my potato chips on top, and then I'll show you the final product. Don't forget to like the video if you like this, what you're watching. Let me know what other videos you're interested in watching. I love cooking, travel videos, business, money, all sorts of things. Or as I try to discover what I should be posting on my videos. So thanks for watching. So the casserole is all mixed up, and I put it in this 9 to 12 dish. I'm gonna put it in the oven, an hour 15 minutes, pull it out, put the chips on top that are already like crumbled and into small pieces. And then I'm gonna enjoy. I'll serve this with a plate of salad, vegetables on the side, and maybe some berries just to enjoy for dinner. Thanks for watching. Give me a like. Thanks.